Hello and welcome back. In this video, we're going to be practicing how to subtract decimals. Let's take a look at this first problem. 0.7 minus 0.37. Our first step here is to turn the 0.7 into a decimal with two places behind the decimal point. So instead of 0.7, we're going to add an imaginary 0 over here. So we have 0.70, and we know already that this fraction, or this decimal, adding a 0 after the last digit is the same thing as 0.7. So these are the same thing. So we turned it into 0.70 minus 0.37. Now when we subtract, let's subtract 70 minus 37. 70 minus 37 is equal to 33. You can do this if you need to by subtracting like this, and then you would borrow, this turns into 6, this is 1, and it becomes 10, and then you subtract, you get 3 and 3, so it's 33. But you're going to put the 33 after the decimal point, just like we did, just like these right here. So when we subtract, we make sure to bring over the 0 and the decimal point. So our answer is going to be 0.33. Now let's look at the next problem. 1.8 minus 1.15. Again, we're going to turn 1.8 into 1.80 so that we have the same amount of places after the decimal point. So now we have 1.80 minus 1.15. When we subtract, we know that when we subtract, the 1 minus 1 is going to give us a 0, and then we have a decimal point. And then behind the decimal point, we're going to have 80 minus 15, which is equal to 65. So our answer is going to be 0.65. That's how to subtract decimals. Thanks for listening, and see you next time.